Basic Swahili phrases. Number one, how are you? Habari. How are you? Habari. Number two, I'm fine. Mzuri. I'm fine. Mzuri. Number three, thank you. Asante. Thank you. Asante. Number four, you are welcome. Karibu. You are welcome. Karibu. Number five, please. Tafadhali. Please. Tafadhali. Number six, excuse me, samahani. Excuse me, samahani. Number seven, what is your name? Jina lako ni nani? What is your name? Jina lako ni nani? My name is, jina langu ni. My name is, jina langu ni. Number nine, where are you from? Unatoka wapi? Where are you from? Unatoka wapi? Number 10, I am from, ninatoka. Just like, subscribe and share. Thank you.